The Djinn in the Nightingale's Eye is a 1994 collection of mythical short stories by British novelist A.S. Byatt. The collection includes 2 short stories, The Glass Coffin and Gode's story in the novel Possession, as well as the titular story, The Djinn in the Nightingale's Eye, which was published in the Paris Review. The stories adopt many of the conventions of folk or fairy tales to examine contemporary society with many of the common themes in Byatt's work. The work was published with woodcut illustrations. Reviews of the book were generally positive. Writer-director George Miller's 2022 film 3000 Years of Longing is based on the title story of this collection. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.